We'll guide you through how to extend video in Grok. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to learn how to turn a static image into a longer animated video using Grok AI. To begin this tutorial, click Google Chrome on your home screen to open the browser and wait until it fully loads on your computer. Once the browser opens, click Search on your Google Chrome browser by selecting the address bar at the top, so you can type a website address. Next, type grok.com carefully into the address bar, so you can access the official website of Grok AI. After typing the address correctly, press Enter on your keyboard to begin loading the website. You will be taken to the Grok AI homepage and may automatically be logged in if your browser is already connected to an account. When the login page appears, click Sign in the top right corner so you can sign in using your email account. Enter your email address in the field provided, making sure the address is typed correctly. Then, click Next to proceed to the password entry page. On the following screen, enter your password in the field provided carefully to avoid typing errors. After entering your password, click Login to log in. Once the login process is completed successfully, you will be taken to the main dashboard of Grok AI, where different creative tools are available. Click Imagine on the left. Next, click the plus icon located next to the prompt field to add media that will be used in the creation process. When the Upload menu appears, click Edit Image so you can upload a picture that will be transformed into a video. Select the image you want to create a video from. Then click Open to upload the file to the platform. After the image is uploaded successfully, enter your prompt. For example, make the image move. After entering your prompt, click on the videos at the bottom to ensure the output format will be a video. Then select the longest duration available at the bottom. Once everything is prepared correctly, click the up arrow icon to start creating the video. Wait a moment while the AI completes the generation process. Once finished, click play to view the results and watch the animated video created from your image.